What if your sunglasses could see, listen, record, translate, and even talk back to you? Today on Caring Guy, we're reviewing the Camera AI glasses, a next-generation wearable that combines AI, camera tech, Bluetooth audio, and smart translation, all built into a stylish pair of glasses. Let's find out if these smart glasses are actually worth it. At first glance, these look like modern rectangular sunglasses, not bulky tech gear. The frame is made from tough TP material with a matte finish, giving it a premium and durable feel. What's really cool is the detachable lenses. You can switch between sunglasses, photochromic lenses, anti-blue light lenses, color-coded styles. This makes them perfect for casual daily use, indoors or outdoors. Now let's talk about the headline feature, the camera. These AI glasses use a Sony 8-megapixel dual-lens camera, enhanced by software up to 32 megapixels, and they support up to 4K recording. Thanks to optical image stabilization, your photos and videos stay smooth even while walking. You can capture moments hands-free, making these glasses great for travel, daily vlogging, POV shots, and quick photo capture on the go. Built-in dual microphones with noise cancellation make calls clear, even in busy environments. The integrated speakers deliver stereo sound, so you can listen to music or answer calls without earbuds. Battery performance is impressive, up to 12 hours of music playback, over 7 days of standby. Charging is done via magnetic charging, which is safe and convenient. This is where these glasses really stand out. They support AI interaction, including access to OpenAI GPT-4, enabling voice-based AI conversations, smart question answering, AI photo recognition, and real-time assistance. The AI translation feature supports multiple languages, including English, Spanish, French, German, Japanese, Arabic, and more, making these glasses incredibly useful for travel and communication. Just wake it up with your voice and ask away. The glasses connect via Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi and work with both Android and iOS devices. Using the Hey Cyan app, you can transfer photos and videos wirelessly, manage recordings, adjust smart settings. Everything feels responsive and easy to use thanks to touch controls on the frame. With an IP65 rating, these glasses are dustproof, waterproof, sweatproof, so you don't have to worry about daily wear, workouts, or light rain. Camera AI glasses are ideal for tech enthusiasts, travelers, content creators, professionals who need translation, anyone who wants smart features without wearing earbuds. These Camera AI glasses successfully blend style, AI intelligence, camera technology, and audio features into one wearable device. They're not just smart glasses, they're a portable AI assistant you can wear. If you're looking for futuristic eyewear that actually does something useful, this is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching Caring Guy. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you wear AI glasses in your daily life? See you in the next video.